morning students, welcome to day 5 session. In the last class we have discussed about rolling friction and also how to reduce and increase the frictional force. Ways in reducing the friction or increasing the frictional force. Coming today, for today's session, we will be learning about fluid friction. What are fluids? Fluids are those which flow easily. What flows easily? Liquids and gases flow easily. So I say liquids and gases, as they can flow easily, I call them as fluids. So not only liquid doesn't come under fluids, gases also comes under fluids because they can flow easily. And fluid friction can also be called as drag. Fluid friction is that friction which is exerted by the fluids. So as the frictional force is exerted by the fluids, here we call that friction as fluid friction. Coming to the next, to understand what fluid friction exactly is, let us take a glass of water and now try to stir it with your spoon. When you stir it with the spoon, the water moves. Or let me take a water bottle, try to rotate it. Now your liquid inside a bottle started moving. Now after some time, if you keep on observing the water, its speed decreases gradually and then comes into rest. Now tell me, you have applied some force on the liquid to move, but after some time the speed of the water has decreased gradually and after some time its speed became zero. Who stopped? What force acted on the liquid and made its speed zero? It's obviously the frictional force which opposes its motion. That friction is offered by what? It is obviously offered by your water in the glass. So this frictional force depends upon speed with respect to the fluid, speed of the water with respect to the surface. And also frictional force will depend upon the shape of the object also. And frictional force depends upon nature of the fluid. The three factors on which fluid friction depends on is its speed, shape and nature of the fluid. In order to overcome this, see, for example, for the fluids, if the friction is more, what to do? For example, birds are moving in the air. When birds are moving in the air, there will be some friction opposing their motion offered by the air there. Now, in order to reduce it, what we need to do? See, we can overcome this friction by reducing the friction by acquiring some special shapes. Did you ever observe or wonder the shape of the birds, shape of the fish, aeroplanes are all same? Why the aeroplanes are all made in the shape of fish or birds but not like squares? Did you ever think of? Aeroplanes are made, they are made with a special shape only to reduce the friction. They need some energy. So, to make them not to lose much energy in overcoming that friction, your aeroplanes are made in the shapes of birds and fishes. So finally, let us recap. Fluid friction. Fluid means which flows easily. Liquids and gases, as they flow easily, they are called as fluid. fluids, and the friction offered by the fluids is called as frictional force. Frictional force can also be called as drag. Example, the friction between liquid layers and the surface and the glass surface, it is offered as the liquid is offering some resistance. The motion of the liquid, we call it as fluid friction, and they depend upon speed, shape and nature of the fluids. And also to reduce the friction, we need to overcome, we should design the things in such a way not to lose energy in overcoming that friction. Hence, your aeroplanes are made in the shapes of birds. That's all for this session. Thank you.